In this section, we're rotating our function about a different axis other than the x or y axis. So in this example, you can see we're going around the line x equals -2. So that is a vertical line. So we're going to be doing this in respect to y. So from a to b, pi r squared in respect to y. So our radius is really the thing that's going to change here. So our radius is no longer the function, or based upon the function y equals x squared of x plus 2. It's now this distance from -2 to here. So we got to figure out that distance there. And the way we're going to do is we're actually going to subtract whatever our function is minus that -2, and that's going to get us our radius, our distance there. Now, y, this is a vertical distance, so we need to get this in terms of x. So if y equals square root of x plus 2, let's square both sides. Well, y squared equals x plus 2. So x equals y squared minus 2. So that's our function right here, y squared minus 2. And that's going to be the distance. Now, y squared minus 2 is going to give us the distance from here to there. That's going to be the y squared minus 2. Now, we need to add this -2. So we need to find that total distance from here to here. So how do we do that? So our radius is actually going to be the y squared minus 2 minus -2. So that -2 being this -2 right there. And the y squared minus 2 being this function up here. So what this is going to be our formula is going to be the integral. And we're doing in respect to y. So our y lower bound is 1, our upper bound is 3. And it's going to be pi times the radius, which is going to be, let's clean that up, -2 plus 2, isn't that just 0? And then that's squared dy. And this one doesn't just want us to set up, it wants us to solve. So that's pi times the integral from 1 to 3 of y to the 4th dy. So then that would be equal to pi y to the 5th over 5 from 1 to 3, which is pi times 3 to the 5th over 5 minus pi times 1 to the 5th over 5. 3 to the 5th, I gotta figure out what that is real quick. So that's gonna be 81 times 3, 243. So pi times 243 over 5 minus pi times 1 over 5. So this will be pi times 242 over 5.